Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Okay, so now we continue with simple amount formula. The simple interest concept can be used when the interest is charged on the principal amount only. The simple amount is the sum of the principal and the interest earned for the entire period. The simple amount formula is given by S equals to P plus I. Since I equals to PRT, then S equals to P plus PRT. Therefore, S equals to P 1 plus RT, where S equals to total amount or accumulated value. Okay, so kat sini saya nak terangkan untuk simple amount formula. Okay, so before this, we had learned about interest, which is the formula of interest is I equals to PRT. Okay, for simple example, okay, let's say, okay, you earn money about 100. Okay, katakan kat sini kita pinjam duit P equals to 100, and then when you calculate your interest is equals to 20. RM20. So it means that you need to pay, okay, P plus I, which is 100 plus 20, so equals to 120. So it means that you need to pay 120. This is just a simple example. Okay, maksudnya kat sini katakan awak pinjam RM100 and then dia kenakan interest RM20. So akhirnya awak kena bayar 120. Okay, nilai 120 ni lah adalah simple amount formula. So kita panggil dia sebagai simple amount formula. So it means that to get simple amount formula, as you just add P plus I. P ni maknanya nilai yang asal, contohnya dalam contoh ni 100, and then you plus by interest, which is 20. Okay, so S equals to P plus I, or this one we know that formula for I is PRT. So we just substitute I with PRT. So the formula of S, we also get S equals to P plus PRT, or you can factorize P. Kat sini bila factorize dia akan jadi 1 plus RT. Okay. Okay, so let we discuss example 2. RM5,000 is invested for 3 years in a bank earning a simple interest rate of 6% per annum. Find the simple amount at the end of the investment period. Okay, simple amount mean S. Okay, you need to find S. Okay, so first kita kumpulkan dulu maklumat. Kat sini RM5,000 is invested. Maksudnya kita simpan 5,000. So kat sini adalah nilai asal. Okay, so P equals to 5,000. Okay, T equals to 3 years. Okay, so T equals to 3, and simple interest rate or R equals to 6%. Okay, first you need to find I, which is I equals to PRT. Kita cari dulu nilai interest. So P is 5,000 multiplied by R 0.06 and multiplied by 3 years. So your interest you will get 900. Okay, so bila dia dah dapat interest, so dia nak simple amount. Simple amount is S. So the formula of S, you can use first formula since you get the value of I. So S equals to P plus I. Your P is 5,000 and your I is 900. So 5,000 plus 900, you get 5,900. Okay, so this is your simple amount. Okay, or you can use method 2. Method 2 ni maksudnya awak kira sekali terus. Kalau method 1, awak kira one by one. First you calculate I, and then you substitute into formula S P plus I. Maksudnya nanti ganti nilai P, ganti nilai I. Kalau you use method 2, so you use formula number 2. S equals to P 1 plus RT. So awak terus dapat P is 5,000, 1 plus your R is 0.06 and your T is 3. So after you calculate this one, you will get 5,900. So you still get the same answer. So you can use either one, either method 1 or method 2. Okay, next try to solve example 3 and example 4. Okay, so now let we discuss example 5. Okay, example 5. Okay, Kamal deposited RM3,600 in a bank that offered 8% per annum. Find the amount after 4 years and 3 months and the interest earned. Okay, so now dia kata Kamal ni dia laburkan 3,600. So this one is the value of P. Okay, tandakan nilai. A bank that offered 8% per annum. Okay, this one is R. Okay, you dah dapat PR. Find the amount after 4 years and 3 months. Okay, so your T, this one T. Okay, T is 4 years 3 months. Tapi make sure T dia mesti dalam tahun. Okay, so bila T dalam tahun, 4 years ni tak ada problem. Cuma 3 months. So you change to years. So you will get 3/12. So plus 4 years tadi. So you will get 17/4 or 4.25 years. Okay, so since you dah ada P, R and T here, so find the amount after 4 years. Find the amount ni maksudnya dia nak nilai S. So kena cari nilai S. So this one we use formula number 2 tadi. S equals to P1 plus RT. So your P is 3,600. 1 plus your R is 0.08 here. And your T is 4.25. So after you calculate, you will get 4,824. So this is your total amount. Okay, now the interest earned. So dia just nak interest earned kat sini. So you just calculate I equals to S minus P. Dari mana dapat yang ni? Dia sebenarnya from formula S equals to P plus I. So awak just pindahkan P ke sini. So I sama dengan S tolak P. Sebab apa kita dah dapat S dekat atas ni 4824. And then P adalah 3600. Okay, so just tolak kat sini dapat interest. Or you can use formula I equals to PRT. Sama juga. Maknanya masukkan P sama dengan 3,600. Your R is 8% and your T is 4.25. So mana-mana satu boleh guna. Either formula I equals to S minus P ataupun formula kedua I sama dengan PRT. Okay, so example 6 lebih kurang sama dengan ni. Awak cuba solve. Okay, example 7. Marina invest RM3,000 in an investment scheme for 5 years. Okay, this one is P, this one is T. Okay, at the end of the investment period, her investment will worth 4,350. Okay, maksudnya kat sini mula-mula dia laburkan 3,000 untuk tempoh 5 tahun. Selepas tempoh 5 tahun tu, nilai dia bertambah, wang dia bertambah kepada 4,350. So yang ni adalah S. So kalau saya buat ni line ni, kalau awak nak fahamkan, P ni nilai yang asal. Okay, selepas interest, awak akan dapat nilai S. So S maksudnya P tambah dengan interest. So kat sini lah contohnya P dia 3,000. And then selepas 5 tahun 4,350. Okay, find the simple interest rate that is offered. Okay, simple interest rate means R. You need to find R. Lain kalau simple interest I. Kalau ada perkataan rate, maksudnya kadar. So you need to find R. Okay. So from this problem, okay, so kita kumpulkan maklumat. Dah ada P, T, S, R. kita nak cari R. Okay, so first you can find I. Okay, kita dah dapat interest. Dari mana dapat interest? Kita ambil nilai yang terkini selepas 5 tahun, S, then we minus by P. So S equals to 4350 minus by 3000. So you will get 1350. So awak kena kreatif sikit bila nak jawab soalan ni, sebab dia boleh tanya macam-macam macam-macam cara untuk awak solvekan. Okay, so first awak cari dulu interest S minus P. Okay, sebab apa kita tak boleh guna interest yang formula PRT? Sebab kita tak ada nilai R. Okay, so you will get interest 1350. Maksudnya 1350 ni mewakili nilai I. So barulah kita boleh guna formula I equals to PRT, because I we substitute with 1350. P is 3000 multiply by R multiply by 5. So kat sini awak boleh guna cara yang algebraic tu, 1350 sama dengan 3000 darab 5 15000 R. So nak dapatkan R, yang ni bahagi 1350 bahagi dengan 15000. So your R is 0.09. Okay. Another one, you can use method 2. Method 2 ni maksudnya kita boleh gunakan formula S equals to P 1 plus RT terus. Okay, yang ni maknanya kita kira 1 by 1. Mula awak kira I, nilai I, and then masukkan dalam formula I equals to PRT. Okay, untuk method 2, okay, S equals to P1 plus RT. Your S is 4350. Your P is 3000. 1 plus your R multiply by 5. So sama juga. Nanti awak cuba selesaikan algebraic, macam mana nak pindah-pindah nilai. So awak akan dapat nilai R. You still dapat nilai R yang sama. Okay, so this one for to find the value of R. Okay, so you try to solve example 8 and example 9. So dia soalan lebih kurang sama dengan example 7. Okay, and then last one, example 10. Okay, for example 10, how long does saya tak nampak ni. Okay, for example 10, okay, how long does it take for an investment of RM 10,000 become RM 15,000 at simple interest rate of 10%? Okay, so awak kena fahamkan soalan how long does it take. Maksudnya dia nak berapa lama, so dia nak time. For an investment, maksudnya yang ni yang awak investkan. So yang ni nilai asal 10,000 means P become 15,000. So dia jadi 15,000. So nilai yang sekarang S at a simple interest rate of 10%. So dia bagi R. So dia bagi P as R. Okay, so sama juga. You can use either method 1 or method 2. First, you can find I, interest, sebab kita dah ada nilai selepas, nilai sekarang 15,000 dan nilai awal. Nilai awal adalah 10,000. So your interest means 5,000. Maknanya bila awak laburkan 10,000, selepas beberapa tahun dia akan jadi 15,000. So interest dia adalah 5,000. And then you can substitute into formula I equals to PRT. So you substitute I with 5,000. Your P is 10,000 multiplied by rate 0.1 or 10%, and then multiply by T. So you will get your T is 5 years. Or you also can use method 2. Okay, method 2 sama juga tadi. Guna formula yang kedua, direct dapat S is 15,000, your P is 10,000, 1 plus your R is 0.1 multiply by T. So bila awak solvekan, awak akan dapat nilai yang sama. So awak boleh guna either method 1 or method 2. Okay, so you can solve example 11 and example 12. Okay, so yang ni adalah penggunaan formula I equals to PRT, formula S equals to P plus I, and formula S equals to P1 plus RT. Yang ni dia sebenarnya formula yang sama, cuma yang ni dia factorize. Okay, so you can complete all the example.